Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video it's gonna be a summer day in. I don't know if I'm gonna do literally when I just kiwi. I also don't know what I'm gonna name this title of this video. I kind of want to do certain summer days or summer days in or cozy day. I don't know. I just picked up the camera and decided, you know what, let me just vlog my daily life. I usually water my plants every morning or at the night, either or, if it's super hot, because we get triple digits and sometimes is twice a day. But I think we're gonna have a fresher day today. I'm also gonna be harvesting some lemons and oranges and just getting ready for summer, and then do some unboxing with these candles also, and then we'll see where the day takes us. And then I'm just having my coffee right here, and look at the mug that I'm using. This is super cute. It says be kind, and there's a little bee, and it's watering a plant. I think it's so adorable, and I just love this mug. But this is actually my second cup of coffee. Yeah, I need to lay off the caffeine, I really do. But let's get started. I think we're gonna go with the oranges first and then maybe grab some lemons. I got the bowl that I'm gonna use, and it's always the trick-or-treat one. Okay, Kiwi, Bella, you guys have to move. Hey! Oh my god, these dogs are too much. So we're gonna get some oranges first and then get some lemons. Ooh, the sun is so bright. Oh, let me show you this flower that is gorgeous. It's very gorgeous. Let me set this bowl down. I look bald. Oh my gosh, that's what I get for doing a high ponytail. Let me show you this flower. So pretty. guys, okay, so I made it back inside, and I wanted to share also how I rearrange my room, because in my last little vlog, which was a summer decor refresh or something like that, I added a bookshelf, but now it's on the other side. So let me just show you a little bit of a little preview, okay? Because my room is not the cleanest right now. Okay, if you guys know, if you guys been here for quite some time, you guys know my desk was always on that side, but I decided to switch it. Did have my bookcase right here, my bookcase, I don't even read. I did have my bookshelf right over here, but I decided to move it because we ended up getting this reclining chair. It's very nice and cozy, and I can't wait when I'm having like even a self-care day and just being loungy here. Wanted a very cozy corner, but this is the situation in my bedroom, and I think it's nice. I think it's just, you know, a regular bedroom. Anywho, so what I want to do is actually open my box of candles. Right now, I'm going to take a moment and talk about Glow WARMY. They are a flameless candle company. I'm obsessed with it, with the packaging and everything. I did get 2 sets. I got the rustic sphere candles. What I love about these is that it comes with a battery, it comes with a remote, so you could have it on your different settings. But these candles just give you a very cozy ambiance, and that's what I'm here for. I think this is so cool, and I'm just excited. Thank you, Glow WARMY, once again. They just give it a nice, elegant look, and I think I'm gonna add it here in my bedroom. And the other ones are the wave pillar candle, and I think those are just a classic, beautiful ones. I'm also gonna add a little discount code for whoever wants to get themselves a nice little LED candle. Okay guys, what do you guys think? Look how beautiful the candles look right there. Now that the candles are set and it's like that cozy ambiance, let's make lunch. I'm starving. I'm gonna do some ramen. I have some leftover chicken from last night, so some ramen, chicken, and then we can add some cilantro or whatever I have here in the house. The choice of ramen, it's this one from Imi, and this one is gonna be the black garlic chicken, and then I have some chicken. I'm reheating my chicken, so this will be perfect. Let's start making this. Okay, so I'm currently watching I Love Lucy. This is my all-time favorite show. If you know, you know. I'm currently eating my ramen. Look how delicious it looks. Man, I forgot to go get a spoon. But yeah, I'm gonna continue eating this and relax a little bit. It's later on the day, guys, so I went to the grocery store, came home, went to the gym, and then preparing dinner. So I chopped up some cilantro, as you guys saw, some onions, and then I made my salsa. And now I'm just grilling the meat, and it's just simple, just some tacos, and then from there probably take a shower and probably watch a movie later. I feel fresh. I don't have a skincare. I used to. I break out so easily. I don't anymore. So it's only Nivea lotion, castor oil if it's needed, and that's practically it. But I'm just gonna put lotion for now, let my skin absorb that. Okay, so I went to a grocery store and I got home, put my groceries away, but then I had to hurry up and go to the gym. I didn't vlog that. But anyways, I did dinner, which was good. I ate 2 tacos and a little bit of avocado on the side. And we're gonna have a little snack, and I'm thinking I'm gonna make maybe some Greek yogurt, something healthy. I think me and my husband were gonna watch a summery movie, so I'm thinking The Sandlot or even Jaws, because I know Jaws, I think it's like their 50th anniversary or something like that. I don't know. Also the Goonies. I want to see the Goonies, but we'll see what's on or whatever's free, because I'm not paying. Oh my god, all these streaming services are too much.